How to use live corners in Illustrator to create perfect rectangle shapes. First, select the rectangle tool and draw a rectangle. Next, go to Window, Control to display the control panel. Now choose the Direct Selection tool. In the control panel, click the Corners option. Let's start with round. Simply drag the corner widget inward to create a smooth round corner. Now switch to inverted round to create stylish inward curves. Next, choose chamfer to create clean beveled corner. Finally, change the fill color to customize your shape. And that's how easy it is to create professional rectangle shape using Illustrator. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.